This is a late model Mercedes GLC 300, and as you can see here, the anodized aluminum strips here, this black anodizing has gotten very spotted. This is kind of typical of acid rain marks here, that it actually comes in on the water droplets, and as they sit there, they kind of mildly etch the surface of these strips. So what we're doing here is a quick demonstration to show how this is done. The kit is the oxidized aluminum kit. Comes with cleaner in there, and we recommend that you clean this, because the detail department usually gets these and they spray Armor All types of products which are kind of greasy, and so it's better to get those off, get those substances off. I've thrown some tape up here so we'll show a before and after as we go. First thing is that we take our paper pad and invert the bottle. First time around, I usually do 3 inversions on one side, or we call them dots, you know, the opening of the bottle, and then flip it over and maybe do 1 or 2 more. And that thoroughly saturates the pad. After that, you can just top it off by inverting 1 time each time. But then we start at the beginning of each strip and do a slow stroke from the beginning to the end. This had enough in it, this pad had enough in it to do this section. Again, we're just doing a test here. We have tape up to show it before and after. Do another stroke. I did the top part of that molding and then connected by doing the bottom part. The first layer of this, as you'll see here, has a rainbow effect. You can see that right here. And that goes away when you put the second coat on. And of course, second coat creates more protection. Here I'm dragging this across, and that's the top part of the strip. And then do the same thing here, up to the tape. Normally I work from left to right. In this case I did the strip to the right of this one, but it doesn't really matter as long as you're neat. And then we'll take the tape off. And that shows a before and after. Major difference. If you were to try to spray these, you'd have to mask the car pretty thoroughly, and you'd get an orange peel kind of a pattern, which really does not look like a factory finish. When this is done, it looks like a factory finish, perfectly smooth and mirror-like. In this case, we're taking off the tape, and this is the end result. If you have any questions, call Paul Miller at 678-978-6995.